I recently came across a TikTok Shop AI UGC Faceless page, which cleared $43,000 in a single month. What I found interesting is the 5 things I'm going to break down throughout this video. I will also be revealing the easiest AI tool stack you can copy to make the same type of content,
as well as giving you the prompts that they use to create these AI generated videos down in the description as soon as we hit 100 likes. Let's jump into the first takeaway. Okay, in no particular order, takeaway number 1 is they are using what I like to call AI adjacent products. And all that simply means is these products can be sold without needing a human to show their face. Yes, it does help with credibility to have a human behind any products, but they can also be sold without a human being on camera. And you'll notice as well, a lot of these videos are pretty similar. They are bottom of funnel type videos. Okay, as we can see, they are generally very short, mainly just images, mainly just POVs showing the product that is currently being sold, which are clearly AI generated. The range of products varies. They've got a wide range of products here. We've got books, we've got pet supplies, we've got makeup, we've got supplements, we've got skincare stuff. So there is quite a wide range of products that you can sell using AI generated content, because as you can see, they are doing it and they are profiting from it. And the obvious key takeaway here is if your product needs a human being to show their face in order to sell it, but you want to be a faceless TikTok shop page using AI UGC, that product might not be a good choice. But even if the product is a good choice, none of that is going to work if you don't apply the next takeaway, which is going to sound cliche, but it's consistency. Let me show you what I mean. So I've filtered on their TikTok page here by oldest, and as you can see, they have been grinding for some time now. Even when they've been getting low views, there are some spikes that they are seeing. Every so often, we've got 32K there. We've got 1 million there for those books. We've got 9K there. Every so often, we are seeing these 5 figures, 24K, 12K, 25K, 161,000 views, 161K views there. So they do eventually get those spikes. Now, it doesn't matter whether if that's the algorithm or whether it's a brand that's choosing to advertise behind that product. What the key takeaway is for us here is that through consistency and through them showing brands that they are continuously uploading and they have got a resume, which is their page. And another key lesson that most people are going to miss here is with you experimenting and uploading consistently, this gives you an opportunity to test and really stress test the TikTok flagging algorithm to check which of these videos get past that initial flag that stops it going to the For You page if it thinks the videos don't deserve For You traffic for whatever reason. Once you get the video style that gets past that initial flag and you see that you are being led onto For You traffic, then you've got the style of video that you can consistently keep uploading because you know that works. And talking about types of videos, that segues nicely into our next takeaway, which is the fact that they are using the same formula relentlessly. What do I mean? Let me show you. I'm not going to play the audio, but I just want to show you. If I click on any one of their videos here, look at this video right here. POV, more or less going around, 90 degrees, maybe 360 degrees around the product from the top. And if we go into the next video, exactly the same thing, just a different product. Next video, exactly the same thing. You're starting to get the point. If you also look at the length of the videos at the bottom, that's 13 seconds. If you look at this one, that is also 13 seconds. That one is also 13 seconds. So to me, what I'm seeing here is not an accident, it's a pattern. It's someone who's realized and recognized that, hey, if I do these kinds of AI UGC videos on TikTok Shop, one, I know that they are not gonna get flagged by the TikTok algorithm. So they're not gonna get picked up as low spam or copied or something that violates TikTok community guidelines because they've done the testing, they've done the volume. And number 2, they know that if the video is at least this long, it's likely to get pushed out to more people. So it's no mistake that all of these different videos I'm cycling through here are more or less the same length, the same style, and the same camera POV as well. And what you may not be hearing, because I'm not playing the audio here, is they're using the same audio, the same TikTok sound as well, which is a bit cheeky because I don't know whether the TikTok Shop algorithm would pick up on that because it's the same audio over and over again. They may be getting away with it because they are using it on different videos. They're not uploading the same video over and over again with the same audio. So a bit risky there. But once again, going back to what we mentioned about patterns, that's a pattern. They've seen that it works and they're replicating and using the same working pattern relentlessly. Also, if we look at how the videos are put together, it's not just one angle. There's different angles of that same product. We see it outside, we see it inside the property, we're seeing it on the bed. So we're seeing different clips that are put together. Again, if you're using the same POV, the same clip, and you're just uploading on TikTok, that's very likely going to get flagged. But again, see what they've done there? They've reversed it. So they've put that clip and then they've reversed the clip. So it looks like it's going the other way, which is quite clever. Again, TikTok will very easily pick up if it's just one continuous video, same angle, nothing's changing, then that's going to be low quality. But if you are showing those transitions and those changes clearly. Even if you're using the same audio, that's not very likely to get picked up by the TikTok Shop algorithm. The risk is always there, but through experimentation and through repetitive, relentless testing, you can get to 43K GMV a month as well. But that leads us nicely into the next part of this video, where we're going to talk about the AI tool stack that they use to create these videos. And it's shockingly simple. That's the frustrating thing for many that are struggling. So I'm going to give you the tool stack that you can use. I'm going to link the tools in the description, but just to give you a high level overview, I'm also going to show you a video that I've created within minutes of the same style of video using a tool that you may have not realize that you can do this with. So the first tool is called Arcades. Mainly this one is great for if you want to show faces in your video, not your face, AI avatars. So definitely worth checking out. Another one, which is fantastic for Faceless AI UGC for dropshipping TikTok shop, where there's no need for faces to be shown, is called Nextify AI. I've explored it extensively on this channel. I will link a video in the description with a tutorial on how to use it. So another one that's worth checking out. But one that you may have not realized that you can do this with is called Canva AI. And I've actually created a video here. The way that I did that is by simply going onto ChatGPT. I had already created this image, so I downloaded it I copied it onto this new chat within ChatGPT, and I've said, please create a prompt I can paste into Canva AI to create a 360-degree moving POV video. And the whole prompt that I copied into Canva is here. Basically going back onto Canva, this is what Canva came up with. And this is literally within minutes. Now, imagine being able to create 3, 4, or 5 of these, stitching them together and creating simple bottom or funnel videos like these videos that this creator is doing on here. If you'd like me to create a more in-depth video on how to create these videos and the different prompts that you can use, let me know in the comments, drop a like in this video. And if enough people request it, I may include that in a future video. Again, the full prompt that I've generated here, I will drop that in the description once we hit that like goal. So the tool stack is not that complicated and it's not that expensive to use as well. But interestingly enough, everything that I've shown you so far means absolutely nothing if you choose the wrong products. You can end up wasting days, hours, sometimes even weeks on products that are not profitable, that have no demand, that have no performance proof whatsoever, which is where unfortunately a lot of creators are stuck currently, and a lot of sellers on TikTok Shop are stuck currently.